Hello everyone, I'm Divit Gupta and welcome to my channel LiveLabs with Divit. Today on the show, we're going to talk about Oracle Database Sagas and how you can leverage the Oracle Database Saga workshop on Oracle LiveLabs. So let's get going.
Well, let's imagine a scenario where you're finally ready for the vacation you've been planning for. Exciting, isn't it? Hey, it's time to get in touch with that travel agency and book your tickets, your flight tickets, your hotel reservation, and your rental car. But guess what? The flight you booked got cancelled. Oh no, that's not good. Well, since my flight has been cancelled, what good is my hotel and car reservation? Well, the flight reservation cancellation should automatically trigger an alert or some mechanism that should cancel my hotel and my rental reservation, isn't it? This is where the concept of Oracle Sagas come into picture. A saga is a sequence of local transactions. Each local transaction updates the database and publishes a message or event to trigger the next local transaction in the saga. If a local transaction fails because it violates a business rule, then the saga executes a series of compensating transactions that undo the changes that were made by the preceding local transactions. In our case, the flight gets cancelled, so it's going to make some series of compensating transactions like cancelling the hotel and the car reservation. This figure shows the saga flow. Let's take an example of a travel agency app. The saga basically contains 4 steps, the first being booking the flight. If it fails, cancel the entire transaction. Second step, book the hotel. Third step, book the car. And the fourth step, if all the above three succeed, then commit saga, else abort the saga. Sagas are similar to the long-running action in Eclipse microprofile and provide the necessary scale to transactions in microservice without needing exit transactions and two-phase commits. This is how the distributed transactions across microservices would look like. The travel agency, hotel service, and flight service, they will all have their own library. The red lines show the application calls, the blue lines show the Saga client to coordinator calls, and the purple line shows the coordinator to application calls. The Saga pattern is used to provide data integrity across multiple distributed, isolated services involved in potentially long-lived activities. When using sagas, the developer must account for the isolation and eventual consistency needs of the business activity or transaction and provide their own compensation logic for the rollback case, as there is no mechanism for managing the locks, data changes, etc. A great way to learn more about Oracle Sagas is by leveraging the Oracle Sagas workshop available on Oracle LiveLabs. Just go to the URL below and sign up. Once you open the URL, you will get to a page similar to this. On the top, you will see a search bar. Search for Oracle Database Sagas. The search result will show you the list of available workshops. Look for Simplify Microservice Transactions with Oracle Database Sagas and click on the Launch tab. It will get you to the page similar to this. To launch your workshop, simply click on the tab Launch Always Free Workshop. The workshop will help you understand the technical capabilities of the forthcoming Saga support in the Oracle database. The estimated workshop time is about 15 minutes. The workshop also shows the Saga APIs in the Oracle database and examples in Java to show how to use these APIs. This is the workshop outline. Lab 1 is set up. Lab 2 is using Saga with PLSQL. Lab 3 is using Saga with Java. Lab 4 is using Saga with Apex workflows. Lab 5 is tear down.
Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of LiveLabs with Divit. In this episode, I talked about Oracle Database SAGAS using the travel booking app as a use case. I also talked about how we can leverage the Oracle Database Saga workshop available on LiveLabs. Please feel free to reach out to me for any feedback that you may have for the site. Thank you for watching.